Hi there, this is Shazim from Shazim Tricks. Today I'm going to share with you just 1 minute remove any watermark text or logo or object from photo. So without any further ado, let's get started and stay with me until full tutorial. At first open your Photoshop software, then go to file menu and open or hold press Ctrl or Command O to open your photo. Select this photo and click on the open and look the photo. Here is the copyright free text and here is the object, and here is also the watermark, and I'm going to remove all those watermark text and object. So see the full tutorial. At first select the quick selection tool or magic wand tool. So I'm going to show you two tools how to use. So at first I'm going to show you by magic wand tool. Select the magic wand tool and just one click on the watermark text area, not at all select. So hold press shift key and just click on the watermark text area. Hold press shift key, holding press shift key and holding press shift key and just click, holding press shift key, just click. If any area need to decrease or deselect, so just holding press Alt key and just click to deselect, and holding press shift key to select and increase select or add selection. Same way if you select by quick selection tool, so just one click to select and drag. If by one clicking not selected all, so just holding press shift key and just click to increase or add selection. Here is need to decrease selection, so holding press Alt key and decrease the selection. Okay, here is need to holding press Alt key and decrease the selection. Here is need to decrease selection. Okay, I selected by magic wand tool. Just hold press shift key and just one click. Okay, I selected this area, and some area I not selected. I will show you how to remove those area perfectly. So see the full tutorial. I'm going to remove those area which area I selected this time. So now go to select menu and modify and expand by 1 pixel, then click on the OK. Here you can see the all selection area is expand. Now this time very important, and it will remove all watermark text. So go to edit menu and click on the content aware fill. See the output, it's totally remove those area. I will remove those area very perfectly. This area is removed very smoothly. Select the output to new layer. I am using the Photoshop CC 2021. You can use any Photoshop version, doesn't matter. Now click on the apply and click on the OK. Here hold press Ctrl D for deselect, and now here selecting this background, copy this layer, and now select clone stamp tool. Hold press S from keyboard to select clone stamp tool. Here must be select the current and below and select the aligned. Opacity decreases 80%. I set 80%, and now hold press Alt key and just take a sample your background and easily drag on your watermark text which area not remove. If opacity and flow some decreases, so it will be very perfectly remove your watermark. by selecting clone stem tool. Okay, that is perfect now. And same way, make sure to select clone stem tool and make sure to select sample current and blow and align, select aligned and opacity 80%. Then just take a sample by holding press Alt key and paste over your over the area which area the watermark is not removed. Just use this process to perfectly remove those watermark text. Okay, here hold press Alt key and take the sample and paste over the share the same way. Now that is perfect. Now finally I want to remove this object. So other way to remove, just select the content aware move tool and just selecting this area, just press delete. You need to select the background layer, just press delete to fill content aware, or you can go to, after selecting you can go to edit menu, then fill, then click on the OK. Or you can remove this area by healing brush tool. Select the healing brush tool and just take a sample area, just hold press Alt key and take a sample area and just paste over the object again and again. Take a sample to perfect output. So guys, this way you can remove your any watermark text, logo or object from photo. Within 1 minute you can remove your any watermark text, logo or object from photo. So I hope this video helped you, and I hope you like this tutorial. Please share this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for stay with me and see this full tutorial. Thank you. See you next tutorial.